Hi everybody, it's Mirav, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the default RSS feed on your news portal. What we have here is an RSS feed from usabilitytesting.tv, and we want to replace it with something else. Well, the first thing we need to do is change the name syndicated news to something else. So what we need to do is open the language file on the back end of the news portal. So we go to Components, News Portal, we're already here. And on the left we choose Settings and then Languages. Let's open the English language. Now the easiest way for me to find things on the language file is to do a search. This is Firefox and I'm using the search feature to find stuff. Syndicated news, here it is. The way you get this kind of box is just do click on Control and then F for find, and it's going to just show it for you. So let's say I want to show news from, let's say, travel news. That's for the first RSS. The second one, sports news. You can call it whatever you want, or you can just call it a name like news from USA Today. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it. It's up to you. I'm going to save this new language definition, and let's check the front end to make sure that it's updated. I'm going to refresh the page. Here it is, travel news, sports news. Okay, so what we need to do now is to change the content of the RSS. And let's see where we do that. We have to go and open the RSS zone, and we go to Design, Zones. We're going to look for the travel news. Here it is. And as you can see, there's a URL here of the feed. So what we want to do is replace this URL. So I'm going to go ahead and to USA Today, another news portal that has many RSS feeds. But you can go to any news site and get those kind of feeds from them. You can go to CNN or whatever. So here it is, a travel. What kind of travel do I want? Let's see, travel headlines. So I'm going to click here and let's see what I get. I get advertisement. Okay, great. Let's skip it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this again to get the feed itself. Here it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL. You can't see it on my screen. Let's see if I can move it so you can see it. Hang on, I'm going to pop. Okay, now you can see the feed URL here. This is what you need to copy. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it into the box I have here on the zone. And I'm going to apply. And let's see what happens. Let's go and check it on the front end. Okay, so here we are on the front end after refreshing the page, and we see that it is showing travel news from USA Today. Now, what we selected here on the back end was to open the feed in a new browser window. Let's take a look. You see it says new window, which is what you want if the site is, if the feed is located somewhere else and not inside your site. You want to open it in a new window. That's what I suggest. So let's give it a try, see what happens. I'm going to click on this link. It opens in a new window, as it should. And here we are in a different site with their news. This is it for how to change the RSS feed on your news portal. Thanks for watching.